Hello, everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Our recipe for today is a great recipe to make use of holiday leftover mashed potatoes. So, if you are looking for a side dish or appetizer, then you are in for a treat. Guys, today we are making Mama Bui's mashed potato cakes. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get started. So here guys, I have leftover mashed potatoes. I'm going to beat 1 egg and add it to the mashed potatoes along with salt, white pepper, garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, chopped parsley. Then I'm gonna mix thoroughly until well combined. If you don't have leftover mashed potatoes, I will leave the link somewhere up here guys for creamy mashed potato recipe. Go check that video. Maybe it's something you can make and use the leftovers. One thing I like about this recipe is so easy to make. It calls for minimal ingredients that you already have in your pantry. Here is our breading station. Into my flour, I'm gonna add paprika and salt, then mix well. Using an ice cream scoop, scoop out enough mashed potato mixture. Form it into a round disc, just like so guys. Next, we are going to roll the potato cakes into the flour, then dip them in the beaten eggs, and finally roll them through the breadcrumbs. Repeat the same process until all the mixture is used. You can fill them with meat, vegetables, really anything your heart desires. But today, guys, we're gonna keep it simple. One thing I can tell you, this recipe is just delicious, layered upon delicious. Now let's move on to the stove. I have my oil preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit on medium low heat. We're gonna deep fry these cakes until they're golden brown. It normally takes between 3 to 4 minutes per side. Actually, these delicious babies here are enjoyable as they are, but if you are the deep kind of a person, you may try one of these dips, homemade gravy or honey mustard sauce. Even ketchup works great with it, guys. I hope you'll try this recipe. Share it with your friends and your family. Please don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time Mama Bui uploads a new video. These potato cakes, guys, they are crisp on the outside, soft in the inside, and sure to please everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.